In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a delivery driver account in the UK Deliveroo. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to check, and how to submit your details smoothly, all within the Deliveroo app. Start by opening the Deliveroo app on your phone. From the main screen, tap Deliveroo to enter the app's home area if you're not already there. Now scroll down the home page and look for the section dedicated to riders and applications. This is where Deliveroo keeps the information for people who want to start delivering. When you see the prompt to learn more or apply, tap the link that says click here. Next, look to the upper right corner of your screen and tap the menu icon. In the menu, scroll down until you find the language or region setting. Tap current language and make sure it's set to the UK. This ensures you see the correct requirements and locations for the United Kingdom. Once that's confirmed, go back to the menu. Now, tap apply to be a rider. On the application page, choose Apply Now, then select Start Application to begin. You'll be asked to select your city. Pick the UK city or area where you plan to deliver, so Deliveroo can route your application to the correct zone and show you accurate availability. Tap Next to continue. You'll now enter your basic details. Type in your first name and last name exactly as they appear on your identification. Add your email address, which should be one you check often because Deliveroo will send important updates there. Enter your phone number in the correct UK format so you can receive verification texts. Finally, choose your vehicle type, bicycle, scooter, or car, based on how you plan to deliver. Selecting the right vehicle helps Deliveroo show you the correct onboarding steps and insurance guidance. When everything looks accurate, tap Next. From here, simply follow the on-screen instructions until the application is complete. Depending on your location and vehicle, you may be asked to verify your identity, confirm your right to work in the UK, provide driving documents if applicable, and review safety or onboarding information. Keep your internet connection stable, allow app notifications for updates, and double-check every entry before submitting. If a screen asks for supporting documents, make sure the photos are clear, well-lit, and show all corners of each document. Once you've submitted everything, watch your email and the app for confirmation and next steps. That's it. You've applied. If any step doesn't appear right away, don't worry, just continue with the prompts you do see, and the system will guide you through to the finish.